Dear brother and sister, life is not easy for all the time. It is all about balance. So, but here is a secret. Life becomes easy when you learn some useful skills. For example, technical skills, communication skill, and yes, English speaking skills. Dear brothers and sisters, English is not very difficult or hard. It's easy. If you think English is school subject, then it will be hard. But if you think English is just an communication skill, that time it will be easy. So I think we should all we should think English is just communication tools. And we just know how to use these tools. If we are able to use these tools, we can speak English. Now the question, how to use these tools? Yes, you can use these tools by everyday practicing. You need to patience and practice every day. Start your English speaking with very easy and simple sentence and start today, not for tomorrow. Remember, practice makes man perfect. No, practice makes man confidence. So keep practicing and keep growing. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.